Good afternoon, this is Keith All and welcome back. Today we're going to continue on with our series of adding a Builderall WordPress theme, and today we're going to learn how to style the background of a section on one of your pages. So right now I'm in the admin section of WordPress, and if you go to pages and then all pages, I'm already here, but we're going to edit the page. And then we're going to edit it with the Elementor plugin. Give it a second to load up. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to edit this background for this particular section. So we're going to go up here and click on this grid icon, and then we're going to go over to Style. And then first of all, there's many different options that you could work with here. So you could just go ahead and play around with it to see what type of an effect that you want. But today we're going to learn how to change the background color for one, and then two, we're also going to learn how to add an image to the background of this section too. So let's say we want to change the background color, and we're going to right now it's white, so you could see you can change the color to anything that you want. You could use this to adjust anything that you want to do. And then you could also make it here. Let's go back over here. You can also adjust this bottom toggle down here to make it semi-transparent. So you could see what you could do with that effect too. So let's go back to white. Okay, that's one way. The other way, now we could add an image. So let's go ahead and click on that. You could drag and drop a file here or select file from your directories. Let's scroll down here. Let's go up here. It's uploading. Give it a second. There you go. It's uploaded. It's selected, so you know that's what's going to be happening. All you have to do is come down to the lower right and click on Insert Media. But let me explain a little bit about this section. I do have a video about image SEO, and I'll put that up in the cards, or it'll be put in the description. But anyways, when you upload images to your website, you want to be able to have SEO on it. So this would be the area where you can put the alt text, title of it, you could put a caption and description. So in these areas you want to be able to put keywords in there, but you don't want to stuff it or anything like that. The same thing, you want to be able to put your keywords in your title, and also for the alt text. So the alt text is used for very descriptive purposes for your image itself. So with that said, let's go back to here and insert the media, and there you have it. You have an image here. And of course, you're going to have to play around with, in this case, this text here so it can pop out so you can actually see the text. So just look at my previous videos on how you could style both of these areas, the text and the contact form, and adjust it to your liking and to a point where you're able to actually see this better. But there's other things that you could do with the image here. You could use this position here. Default it moves it around. You can play around with top left. Let's see, bottom center. So you can play around with the adjustment of that. And remember too, you can always adjust the height of this particular section. And I showed you how to do that in a previous video. The attachment, now watch what happens if it's the default. If you scroll down the web page, it moves it with it. If you do a fixed, as you scroll down the page, the image will stay where it's at, so you can see what happens. See what it's doing? It's keeping the image stationary. Let's see what scroll does. So it doesn't look like there's any difference between the default and scroll. But you know that you have that option. Let's see, size. Let's do that. Just to show you the difference between the two, all of them. Contain. And then custom. So you have all these different options that you could work with your image if you choose to have an image background. So that's the end of today's tutorial. Our next tutorial on this series is we're going to add a new section down here below, and I'll show you how to do that with using templates from WordPress. Thanks again for stopping by today. You have a great day, and always remember to subscribe to my channel, and always remember to be interactive with my channel by liking this video, sharing it, and also adding your comments. I appreciate your support. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.